spiritual and temporal leader of the country, the 14th Dalai Lama, was considered as the living representative of Avalokiteshvara, a deity symbolizing infinite compassion. In this unique country, miracles, philosophy, science and tradition were interrelated notions, fitting perfectly within each other in the service of the sacred. The oracle of Nechung, the protector of the Dalai Lama and Tibet, embodied these facets. In the 9th century, Guru Rinpoche, the great Indian master who brought Buddhism to Tibet, asked the deity Pohar to become the guardian of the country and its people. From that day, this protecting spirit communicated with the Dalai Lama and his government through the physical form of a monk named Kuten, whom the deity possessed during trances. From 1949 to 1959, the Tibetans tried to resist the Chinese invasion, but it was hopeless, and the invasion of the country took place. On the 17th of March 1959, in order to avoid the bombardment and destruction of Lhasa, the Dalai Lama was forced into exile. He left Lhasa because of the decisive intervention of the Nechung oracle, who spontaneously went into a trance. To preserve their culture, 100,000 Tibetans followed their spiritual leader and crossed over the Himalayan mountains at the risk of their lives. The Indian Prime Minister Nehru offered them assistance and a land of exile at Dharamsala, which is 12 hours' drive by road from Delhi. This dilapidated hill station, perched on the flanks of the Himalayas, then became the center of Tibet in exile and the place of residence of the Dalai Lama. Gradually, after years of hard work, the place became more accessible and habitable, and traditions resumed their importance.
Idem.
가네팽이 캐. 가네팽이. 성원이. 캐나 텐데 야수다. 텐데 있구나. 예, 로지라. 겨울무지 중거당 로살마도 고치고 말해. 테레 콘소 치게네 청한디 디비기 빠르게 가용 되는 고치래. 이렇게 빼 템데 야수다. 야 그리.
In Tibet, every 12 years, the Telo Tse-Chu festival gathered together deities, oracles, monks, and lay people to celebrate the anniversary of Padmasambhava. Nechung Chokyong then entered into a divinatory trance, surrounded by all the Tibetan oracles. In exile, the tradition perpetuates in a simpler form. Nechung Chokyong goes into a trance in front of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, accompanied by 3 lay oracles, 2 women and 1 man. thousands of faithful will arrive in Dharamsala, and on the eve of this special day, the monastery is decorated in all its finery. Thupten Nodap and his monks pray to Guru Rinpoche. In this prayer, they invoke the Great Master, make him offerings, and seek his blessing. The prayer is a preparation for the trance and will facilitate the visit of the deity during the ceremony.
Important predictions that Nechung Chokyong gave are quite well by asking them to come into trance often and perfect their relation with concerned divinities. Present Nechung medium has been followed by me right from the beginning of his initial trance to open his speech channels. Similarly, Tsering Ma was also